Hello everyone, welcome to back to the channel. In this today actually video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up Google Ads enhanced conversion using Google Tag Manager, especially the user provided data event tag. The setup makes a conversion tracking for more accurate tools, means better ROIs and smarter bidding for your campaign. Let's get into it. So step by step, I can share actually. First, I should go on your tag. First, after tag collection, I have to choose and then actually Google Ads conversion tracking have to choosing, and then you have to see actually lot of actually Google Ads conversion tracking, Google Ads conversion tag, Google Ads marketing tag, Google Ads calls from WhatsApp conversion tag. But today I will actually select actually user provided data sand. That's the reason I have to select actually Google Ads user provided data. And then you have to see conversion ID level. You need important. So I have to go Google Ads conversion ID. So this is actually conversion ID I have to find, and I have to new variable actually create. That is a before I have to go new tag and new variable conversion ID, and it's a data layer variable. If you find actually conversion ID 26 consists about mode. This I have to write actually conversion ID, and then you have to use it provided data. So new variable you have to select it or user provided data. If this to be email, phone number, last name, state, city, region. So I have already in this actually this website if the step by step user provided data DLB if the step by step. So let's go actually I have to set up if the step go fastly, and then email new variable tag, and then you have to data variable right actually at best point user data. Okay, selected TLB email, save, and then again user phone number, same variable, relay variables, go, and then selected relay phone number, selected relay phone number, then go actually first name, last name, every point. You have to set step by step relay variable again. You have to go and user provide first name, user data address first name, selected TLB first name, last name. Okay, relay variables. And then selected last name. And then you have to see city and go to city, and you have to go again city farm DLB city region. Every step by step you have tracking is important for this actually user provided data. So Google Ads conversion tracking. So this actually loading process, and then go actually regions, new variable, get tag, and then you have to see actually data line variables, and then copy data line regions, and then region selected, and go city regions, DLB region. Okay, and then paste, and then save button click. Okay, again, this is county. I have to save same again the algorithms, and then go to the library balls and step by step county. More important part actually the postal code. So I have to go again and then select new variable, and then click on the library variables, and then you have to go the live postal code and copy, and then paste, and then DLA postal code. So this actually the user provided data as the best of setup, and then go loading processes, and you have to tag, and then you have to save all of the data processing, user provided data save, and select user provided data, and you have to tag actually select actually process tag, and you have to find lighting G TS user provided get data tag. So this is actually selected and saved. Then then actually you can actually submit all of the processing if you step by step, then you have to submit it process, and then you have to go public live, that's and have to continue, and you have to go every step by step. That's it actually. You have just set up actually Google Ads and conversion using GTM to use it over every step by step process. I have to share today even data in now reaches and more accurately. So if this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorial, and got any question running to the issue, leave the comment below. I read only single one, and see you in the next one tutorial video. Thank you so much.